Welcome to our channel Israel Education, and please subscribe my channel and get electrical related video. So today we will discuss some MCQ level question answer, and please watch till the last end. So the first question is, the power factor of a AC circuit is equal to option A cosine of a phase angle, option B sine of phase angle, option C unity of resistive circuit, and option D unity of reactive circuit. So first we want to know what is the power factor. So we know that power factor is always equal to, or the power factor is always equal to 2 power by apparent power. So power factor, we know the power factor is always the cos pi or cosine. We take the cosine as a power factor. So the power factor of AC circuit is always equal to cosine of the phase angle. So option A is the right answer. So next question is, a closed switch has a resistance of 0 about to 50 ohms and about to 500 ohm and D infinite. We know that a closed circuit means there is no resistance, or there is the resistance value is always the 0 or nearly equal to the 0. So we here see the picture of a closed circuit. So the resistance of a closed circuit is 0. So here option A is the right answer. So next question is, a field of force can exist only between. So we know that the field or any field can exist by the two charges. One is the positive charge and another is the negative charge. We know that two positive charge always the repels each other, or two negative charge always the repels each other, but two alternative charge are attract each other. So we here option B, the two ions can force exist only between a. For the direct current, we know that direct current has the magnitude as well as the direction. Here the option A is the right answer. The direct current has magnitude as well as direction remain constant. So the next question is, the power factor of a AC circuit lies between. We know first what is the power factor. So the power factor is the true power by the apparent power. So the value of the power factor is the depend. We know the formula of a power factor equal to VI cos phi, or the power equal to VI cos phi. So the power factor equal to the cos phi. We know that the value of the cos phi between 2 minus 1 to 1. So the value of cos phi lies between 0 to 1. So here the power factor of AC circuit lies between 0 to 1. Here the option A is the right answer. So the next question, if the efficiency of the machine is high, what should be the low? Here option is input power, option B loss, option C ratio of the output of through input, and option D all the above. So at first we should know the what is the efficiency of a machine. We should know the efficiency of a machine is the output by the input. Here we see the picture that efficiency equal to output by input, or output by output plus loss. If we the reduces the losses, the efficiency will be the decrease. So here option B is the answer. B is the loss. So the next question is, insulating material have the function of preventing a short circuit between the conducting wire, or B preventing an open circuit between the voltage source and the load, and the C conducting very large current, and D storing very high current. So what is the value of insulating material, or what is the insulating material? Insulating material always prevent the short circuit between the conducting wire. So here the option A is the answer. Insulating material have the function of preventing a short circuit between the conducting wire. So the next question is, who is on the leg of the parallel circuit is open, output of the total current will. At first we should know the what is the parallel connection. The parallel connection, the total potential difference of a circuit is always constant, and the current will be the divided. If we open a leg of a parallel circuit, that's the current should be the decrease. Here we see the picture of a parallel circuit. Here if we remove the R3, the what should be the happen? If we remove the R3, then R1 and R2 will be the active. So the I1 and I2 current we should get, and we should not get the I3. So with the current will be the reduces. The next question, bulb in a street light are always connected in parallel series parallel and end to the end. Here we know that the bulbs always on a street light always connected in the parallel. Also the house wiring for also the connected in the parallel. So here option A is the right answer. So the next question is, in a AC circuit always apparent power is more than the actual power, reactive power is more than the apparent power, actual power is more than reactive power is more than the actual power. So at first we should know the what is the apparent power and what is the actual power and what is the reactive power. We know that apparent power means the average power and the reactive power means the loss power and active power means the useful power. So we know that the apparent power equal to V into I and active power equal to Vi cos pi and reactive power equal to Vi sin pi. We should know from the power triangle we get the value of the apparent power, active power and reactive power. We know that apparent power equal to root of active square plus reactive square. So the answer is the cos pi. And next option is the A. Apparent power is always the more than the actual power. And the next question is a circuit component that opposes the change in the circuit voltage. We know that the circuit voltage always change the value of a capacitance, because we know that the capacitance value or the capacitance C, always we get the formula C equal to dV by dt. If we change the dV, that the value of the C should be the changes. So a circuit component that opposes the change in the circuit voltage is always the value of B, capacitance. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel to get electrical video. So thanks for watching this video.